Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll be doing today, guys, we'll show you if you have a Ford Focus MK3. This one will be the generation 2012 to 2018 and your instrument cluster does not work. Okay, which fuse to check? If the instrument cluster doesn't work or you have some problems with your instrument cluster, okay, we're going to show you which fuse to check. Now, in the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys, please subscribe to the channel. Videos will be coming all the time on that car and others as well. So what do we need to do? We need to go to the passenger side now. Okay, passenger side right here. And we're going to go ahead and show you where the fuse is. You probably noticed our glove box is removed. This is so we can stick the camera in a better angle. Now, you do not have to remove your glove box. We did it so we can show you where the fuses are. All you have to do, okay, that carpet liner on the bottom. Okay, you can see those plastic things. Squish in on both sides, pull out, and then remove the carpet cover. That's where, guys, okay, your fuses now, okay, will be located. Okay, right here. You can see this is the whole fuse box. Now there are two fuses that we need to check. Fuse number one, okay, the first fuse actually will be fuse number 69. This one will be the second row. In our case, if you start from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. You can see by the fuse on the top right corner there is a number and ours says 69. That's where you'll find the fuse numbers. So we'll go ahead, remove that one. Okay, that's the first fuse. Perfect. And let me show you which one it is. We'll replace it with a new one, but check out, guys, the description of the video below, okay, to see where we got our replacement fuses. Really good deal. I couldn't believe it, it's so cheap. So that's why we got them, to have so many. Pretty much like instead of buying just a few, we bought a whole box and we have spare now. So we need a 5 amp fuse. Okay, you can see the 5 amp here will be orange looking fuse. Okay, this is it right there. So I'll replace this one now, install it in SWAT 69. And the second fuse that we need to check is excuse me, fuse 88, this one here. So I'll remove and replace this one as well. Perfect. So let me just get 25 amp. It says that it's a clear fuse. It even comes with a free fuse pour. That's a really good deal. Yeah, okay, perfect. I'll go ahead and install it now. So this is it, guys. This is where the fuses for the instrument clusters are located. So all we have to do is install your cover here with the two plastic retainers. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.